Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a campaign on Comrade. So, let's get started. From your dashboard, click on New Campaign. This will open up the campaign wizard. Let's start by giving this campaign a name. Next, you will see 4 types of campaigns you can choose from. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on hybrid targeting, which is the recommended option for most advertisers. Select the age range and gender of the audience you want to reach. Set the maximum cost per click you are willing to pay per click. More information on max cost per click can be found in the Help section. Choose your daily budget. When this budget is reached within the same day, the campaign will be paused automatically. The campaign will start again the following day until it reaches the daily budget. This helps you control your daily spending. Setting the daily budget to 0 will set the campaign to unlimited. Select the countries, states, or cities you wish to target. You can use a combination of the 3 should you need to. Set the frequency capping. The frequency capping determines how many times an ad is delivered to the same user in a predefined period of time. In this example, we are choosing 1 every 3 months per campaign. This means that once an ad is delivered to a user from this campaign, no ads will be delivered from the entire campaign to the same user until 3 months pass by. More information on frequency capping can be found in the Help section. With day parting, you're able to run the campaign on specific times of day and days of week. Select your day parting schedule by clicking and holding on the days and times you don't want the campaign to run. You can also do the opposite on the gray to enable them again. The green shows when the campaign will be running, and the gray shows when it's paused. Once all data is completed, we can go ahead and save the campaign. We can now go to the next phase of the campaign wizard. In the second stage of the campaign wizard, we can create our ad groups and ads, and add keywords and URLs we wish to target. Let's create an ad. Creating an ad is easy. Enter the ad title. Now, enter the ad description. There are character limits on the title and description fields. Please refer to the Help section for more information. Enter the display URL. This is not the web page where the visitors will land, but the URL displayed on the ad. The final URL, however, is the landing page URL where the visitors will land when visiting the ad. Upload an image for the ad. Choose a call to action. There are several options to choose from. Select the most relevant. Click Add. Your ad is now saved and can be previewed. Make sure the ad looks great. You can preview the appearance of the ad and how it will look on Windows 10, Windows 7, and Mac OS. We can now save the campaign changes and start adding keywords and URLs we wish to target. Let's start with keywords and their matching operators. Keyword matching operators enable you to deliver the right ads for the right search keywords. There are 4 different operators you can use: broad match, phrase match, phrase match plus, exact match. With broad match, the ad will be delivered when the words and the keyword are found in a search query in any order, anywhere in the query. Let's take an example. I'm adding a broad match keyword in the keyword field. The ad will be delivered as long as the 3 words in the keyword exist in the search query, regardless of the position or the order they are found in the query. With phrase match, the ad will be delivered when the words in the keyword are found in a search query in any order and next to each other. With phrase match plus, the ad will be delivered when words in the keyword are found in a search query in the same order. With exact match, as the name implies, the ad will only be delivered when the term is found exactly as it is. Now, let's see how we can target users with URL targeting and their matching operators. URL matching operators enable you to deliver ads on the right URLs. There are 4 different URL matching operators: broad domain, partial match, exact match, advanced URL targeting. With broad domain, an ad will be delivered if a user visits the domain or any URL of that domain. Let's take an example. I'm adding a broad domain, title.com. Since we added title.com as a broad domain, an ad will be delivered when a user visits any URL from title.com. With partial match, an ad will be delivered when a user visits the entered URL. An ad will also be delivered if the URL has additional directories or parameters. With exact match, an ad will be delivered when the exact URL is visited. Advanced URL targeting enables you to target a large volume of URLs without having to add a large list of URLs manually. By using the plus symbol in front of words, you can deliver ads on thousands of URLs that contain the words provided. You can also use the minus symbol to exclude any URLs that contain specific words you don't want to target. Let's take an example. Imagine you are selling cat litter and you want to reach an audience interested in cat litter products. However, you want to exclude users looking for different products such as cat litter boxes. To reach the right audience, you can simply add cat litter related words and exclude any words related to litter boxes. You can also use advanced URL targeting with a specific domain to target URLs from that domain only. And that's all. Simple, but very powerful. We can now save the campaign changes and move to the next and final step. This is where you can set up your simple conversion URL. A simple conversion URL is a unique URL that users visit right after what you consider a conversion. It can be a sale, a sign-up, or a form or email submission. Enter a name for your conversion and add a monetary value. This will be used to calculate your profit by deducting the campaign spend from the conversions. You could also set this 0 if you do not wish to track profit. If you require an advanced conversion tracking with dynamic conversion values or for dynamic pages, refer to Advanced Conversion Tracking in the Help section. Finish by entering the unique conversion URL. Exclude any part of the URL which are dynamic and might change with every conversion. As long as the entry is unique and doesn't change, even if it's only a part of the URL excluding some parameters, the conversion will be tracked. Click Add and save changes. Your campaign is now ready to run. Thank you for watching.